Hello, this is Nezakit from QRTL. In this tutorial, I'll present how I prepare a QR code treasure hunt using the amazing QR treasure hunt generator, which is found at ClassTools.net, the website that has many useful tools for you. Let's focus on only the QR code treasure hunt generator now. So here, as you can see, it says get started. So in order to start, I click on it. So I have to provide a title. So I can select QR treasure hunt here. Here it says type the question and answer here in the following format. This is quite important. You write the question, there is no question mark, and answer. So I had already prepared this for you. So I type all the questions here. Then it says provide a password. So this is quite important. Remember, if you want to go back and edit it, you have to provide an easy password. Here I say QRTL session 4. Then it says create the QR challenge. I click on it. So here it gives you the link directly. Please remember to keep a copy of that. I can show you maybe what I did here. Let me take this here so that you can see. I had prepared the questions earlier here, and then this is the link that has the questions. So I kept them together here, and I have the same password all the time, so I keep it. So I think that's enough for now. So remember to use this tool for other things that you want to generate. Thank you for listening.